Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable flash notifications on your Samsung Galaxy phone, Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. Flash notifications on Samsung Galaxy devices help you avoid missing important calls, messages or app alerts by blinking the LED light near the camera or using a screen flash. This feature works for both default and third-party apps. Here are the process. You can easily enable it. Swipe down and go to settings, and here tap on notifications. Here scroll down and you will find flash notifications at the bottom of the page, and here you can easily turn on flash notifications. Turn the toggle button on or off and you can see a flash on camera will be blinking. Select notifications or LED indicators and ensure your device battery saver mode is off, as it may disable flash notifications to conserve power. Check app specific notification settings to ensure they allow flash alerts, and you can see a flash alerts on your camera is blinking now. So it's an important feature, and you can easily enable or disable it. Flash notifications enhances visibility for incoming calls and messages, especially in loud or crowded place. You can receive a notification flash on your any app, messages or any other feature. You can choose a color, simply customize it and choose a flash color. Different flash color is also available here, and choose from here a different color, and accordingly your flash notification color will be changed. Customizable settings let you choose between LED flash or a screen flash for alert. So it's a very important feature available for all Samsung Galaxy Android phones, Samsung Galaxy S24,